Today is January 30th, 2013. Today and tomorrow, 2 movies to go, and then I've completed an entire month of new movies. Taryn, yay!
Yay!
You have not watched as many movies as I have so far this year.
No.
Steaks and potatoes.
Ew.
It cleanses the palate.
Disgusting. Stop.
Light herby taste, smoky barbecue. Flavors coming up from bleh.
Nasty.
Here.
No.
Yum. Tasty palate steak. I just talked about my breath. I just talked about the taste of my burp on a video. That is where I'm at.
That is disgusting.
Sometimes there's got to be stuff that I haven't talked about yet. There's a lot of stuff that I've not talked about ever in the history of this video project. And that's just something that had squeaked by up until now. And I'm really glad that I finally got to talk about it with you guys. And that I fulfilled a real dream of mine, in which I talk about the taste of my burps. It's fun, fascinating. Taryn really enjoys it. It tells you how mature she is about this whole thing. How she really supports me in this project.
You're so gross.
It's so fun.
You're so gross.
But you love me anyway.
Oh god. The taste of your...
Taryn, don't lie, Taryn. You really are enjoying this conversation. This is what I do, Taryn. This is like my job, is to inform YouTube, the good people of YouTube, about important current events. Which current thing is that I have the taste of steak in my mouth right now because I just burped. It tastes like barbecue and smoky acid. You're welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good night.
Makes me feel sick to my stomach.
Oh.